Yo dudes, this is Logan at Riskless Review, where I test products so you don't have to. So today we're going to be looking at some BTS unboxings. Let's get to it. Alright, so just got this new package today. Not sure what it is. Let's take a look. So here we have Skool Love Affair Special Edition. So this is the re-release. I have the original. So we're going to do a little unboxing comparison. Let's check it out. General, right? They look the same. At least from the cover. Everything looks pretty similar back here. Still showing 2014 dates. This one that I have already has a authentication sticker. I don't see one on this one, but I got it directly from Weavers, so that's a little different. Barcode's different too, so you'll be able to see the first 7 digits are the same. 8804775. Then the rest are different. So that's one way I think you'd be able to recognize the difference if you were to buy these. You can see that old one's definitely a little bit different on the barcode. So let's try and do this at the same time. So again, this is new, this is original. Everything looks the same here. Nothing jumping out at me. Alright, so again, everything's looking the same. Kind of separate the books real quick. We'll take a look back at them. Discs are looking the same. There's nothing below that. So yeah, you've got the disc 1 that's got the second mini album showcase, and the disc 2 that's got the additional making of showcase and making of. So it looks like from a disc perspective, everything's good. Looks very similar. Let's kind of put the books side by side, huh? In general, everything's looking quite a bit similar. Same kind of intro. Kind of hard to get it all. In general, it's quite a bit the same. So instead of doing a page for page the whole time, what I'm going to do is I'm going to look, see if there's a... Alright, so I got... Well, if any of you follow this channel, you'll know this is hilarious because I pretty much always get RM, my wife's bias. Pretty much, I think 90% of my photo cards are RM. So, pretty hilarious. Let's see if my photo card's still in this one. Ooh, yeah. So in the original, I got the photo card of J-Hope. This does not look like the official photo card. It looks like when I bought it, the seller may have kept the original card because I don't think these are the original ones. I like them, but I don't think... Yeah. This one's got a bunch of cards in it, and I don't believe they're original. So I got 3 cards in my original Skool Luv Affair, but somebody had actually probably taken them out before they sold it to me on eBay, because this has the second mini logo on it, and none of the other ones I had did. So I think that's probably the case. So let's just take a flip through here. We got Rapmon, we got, and it is still the old name, Rap Monster. Suga. We got Jin, J-Hope, Jimin, V, Jungkook. Start to see the making of the music video for Boy in Love. There's a lot of great YouTube videos on Bangtan TV that they have of the behind the scenes of this music video. A lot of fun memories. They had a good time back in these days, goofing around a lot. So we got the showcase. So yeah, February 2014. So quite some time ago. They look so young. so different. Jungkook looks so different, especially. Jimin looks really different too. Even though RM still didn't like his hair, I don't think he even liked it back in this era now, but I liked his hair like that. The platinum wave look. Jimin looks so funny. He's changed quite a bit. Oh yeah, see the old iPhone? It's funny. Yeah, I liked his hair like that. I thought RM looked good that way. Jungkook, Suga. So this is on like a fairly thick kind of paper. It's not like glossy photo paper like a lot of their new ones. So once I flip through all these and we see the pictures, I'm gonna do another quick flip through of the original one. So I remember hearing some people say that there were differences. So they might be pretty minor. Nothing's jumping out at me too major. Jin, Jungkook, Suga. Is that Jin? Jin looks weird there. Yeah, old school BTS. Back in the day. Happy birthday, J-Hope. My bias. It's back when they're still dressing like in the schoolboy stuff. Skool Luv Affair, 2014. Man, quite some time ago. It's a funny face from Suga. Suga. Yeah, this picture of V, I think it's been elsewhere. I've seen that many times. It's a cool picture. And you got, let's see if we can pick this up. Got who produces it. Got the lyrics. Kind of a hard way to see lyrics, but you know, the part of this special edition is you had these 2 additional Miss Right in the Slow Jam remix. That was the addition that made it so special. Otherwise, yeah, the intro, then it goes to the kind of standard tracks. You notice P-Dog on most of these. Best producer in the business, in my opinion. BTS Cypher Part 2 Triptych. I love this one. Man, this these raps from all of them are so good in it. I love that track. It's one of my favorites from this mini album. Jump. I love Jump. I believe Suga was producing that. Yeah, he was helping produce it. Yeah, he was right up there. Suga and P-Dog. Supreme Boy. Supreme Boy. 8th member of BTS. Not really, but sort of. It's on J-Hope's mixtape. I like Supreme Boy. I like his style. P-Dog for me is the 8th member of BTS. He's the one that really makes it all. P-Dog, recording engineer. So there's that. Overall, it looked quite a bit the same to me as my original. I'm gonna go grab this again and just do a speed flip. Yeah, the paper feels about the same. Yeah, I remember that picture. So yeah, there's that iPhone. So everything's looking pretty much the same. What I want to do now is maybe find a picture that would be good to really do a quality view on. So let's find something that would be good for that. I feel like this text is way clearer, actually, when I look at these two things side by side. So they're definitely, oh yeah, there's some definite quality difference in the printing. So you can see this is the new one and this is the original. This one's like the blue's a little more muted and the white kind of, it's not blurred, but it doesn't stand out as strong. Whereas on the original, that blue is much more vivid. The white pops way more. So yeah, let's go to something with the white background. Let's check that out. Let's see how. Well, let's go to this picture of V that I was talking about. Already, I think I am noticing a significant difference in quality. So let's see if I can do this right. So here's the new one, but here's the original. Now, to me, with my face right up in it, I feel like they're slightly different. In this one, it's hard to pinpoint the difference exactly. You see, that's more like yellow. That's a little more white. Like the colors are a little bit different. So there's definitely, it's things like printers and ink and stuff. I mean, all that can change, but it definitely feels like there is some difference. So let's see. Let's do a little bit of sugar focus here. So let's see what we can see. Yeah, so if you look at these two pictures, this new one is way less vivid than this original one. This one's much more like saturated looking. This looks way more pale and kind of washed out. So, there definitely is a difference. You're not going to miss a whole lot if you have the new one, right? You're still going to get everything, all the pictures, you're gonna get all the discs, everything there is gonna be the same. But the photo book in the original was better. For whatever reason, it was higher quality. So I don't know if they, had some lower quality file they saved and then printed, or it's just simply the printer or what. But the original is better quality, I do think. To put it in perspective, I think this Skool Luv Affair, the new one, special edition, I think it was like $50 with shipping, something like that. Well, with shipping, it was maybe a little bit more, but not too bad. But this one, back in the old days, when I got this, was so rare and so hard to find, and why they did a reissue. But this one, I think it was about $200 for me. So, putting that into perspective, slightly lower photo quality for you to be able to even get this, totally worth it. Am I happy with my original? Yes. Sad that I did have to pay that much money and then it got re-released, I will say. But hey, if more ARMY gets to experience this great album, especially the special edition with those 2 songs. Those 2 songs are good. Miss Right is a classic. So to have Miss Right on disc is worth this value anyway. This one for me at the time when I bought it was like the crown jewel of my collection. So to see it re-released again, I was a little sad. But I will say the quality on this one was a little better. Would I pay another $150 to get that quality adjustment? No, not at all. The new one's totally fine. But yep, this one with its old certification sticker and barcode is definitely slightly better on the photo book. So let me know if you like this video. Give a like and subscribe. Don't forget to share with your friends who also are BTS fans. And as always, talk to you soon.